Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the app that we made during the Leapfrog Revampathon 2023. It is a 2-week hackathon where we need to revamp an already existing software or app. So we, Team RevampRovers, were chosen to revamp Tootle, the ride-sharing app. So this is what we came up with. In the first screen, you will see a map where it will show you the current location, which is for now Leapfrog technology, and we have a bottom sheet that hides whenever I touch the map so that we get an immersive experience scrolling through the map. And in the bottom, we have some options to choose our service. So if you want to book a bike, if you want to book a car, or if you want to get a delivery done. And then you have the pickup location as well as the destination location, which you can search. There's also a not found screen. And let's say I will choose St. Xavier's College. And then at the top, it shows me the directions from Leapfrog to St. Xavier's College. And at the bottom, you have two options. One is to schedule a ride so that you can schedule a ride for a future date. So I can choose the date, let's say February 7th, and I can choose the time. And when you're about to schedule a ride, there's also an option to book a bus. So you can book a bus, bike, or a car for a future date. And here you can write some comments. And this UI is pretty intuitive. As you can see, the UI slides up when the keyboard is there, and when I scroll down, I can interact with the keyboard and dismiss the keyboard just like that. So pretty fun to use UI. And if I click on request ride, it's gonna say that your request has been booked. You'll be notified when the driver accepts your ride. Great. But let's say I want to book a bike right now. I can click on bike and click on book now, and it's going to give me an option to add my payment. So let's say I want to offer rupees 200 from Leapfrog to St. Xavier's College. I want to add a note saying I'm wearing a black t-shirt. And then the note is set, as you can see. There's even an option to add a promo code. So if I go to the third tab on the bottom, you have a section for offers and promos. So let's say there's a festival season going on, or you have claimed some offers, then you can click on them and you look at this amazing UI where it describes about the discount you're getting. There's a promo code that you can click and it'll copy that to the clipboard, or you can click the button directly that says apply code at the bottom, and then it says the promo code is applied for next ride. So as you can see, that code has been applied, which will give me a 15% discount. At the bottom, I can choose my payment method, either cash, Kulti, or business, and then I can click on book ride. And then it's gonna start listing out the drivers who are available, and John Doe is available. So I'm gonna click on accept. And my driver is on the way. So it's giving me a countdown. It says that the driver is coming in 10 seconds. In that time, I can see the info. And if I want to cancel the ride, maybe I was waiting too long, I can click that and click on submit, which will cancel the ride. So let's try to book again. And I'm going to click on book ride, book, accept. And in the screen, I can either call the driver by clicking on that button or chat with him. तपाईँ लोकेसनमा हुनुहुन्छ लोकेसनमै छु हस्समा आउँदैछु, and I can say okay and send the text message just like that. If I go back, as you can see, the ride has started. Ride is now ongoing, and in this screen I can either share the ride progress or I can open the ride in Google Maps, which will show me the exact directions. And if I go back after some time, as you can see, when the ride is completed, you'll get this feedback screen where I can rate the rider and I can give some feedback. He drove very well. And then I can click on submit. And after clicking that, now I'm ready to book another ride. And on the bottom, you have the tab for history, where all your upcoming rides, which is scheduled for the future, all your completed rides, and all your canceled rides will be shown. And the last tab on the bottom navigation is for the account settings. So here you can change all the settings. And for certified drivers, there's an option to enable rider mode. So if I enable rider mode, now if I go home, you will now be a rider, and list of passengers who are finding a ride will come, and you can accept a passenger, and you'll get this screen where you are going to pick up the passenger. And when you have reached the passenger, you can click on pick up and the ride will start. Again, here you can click on this button to find the directions in Google Maps. And when the ride is completed, I can click on the ride completed button and it says ride complete, and I am ready to take more trips. Now, apart from the UI being very fun to use and intuitive, this app is very accessible as well. And to demonstrate the accessibility of this app, I am going to invite VoiceOver to take over the presentation.
Selected bike button, car button, Selected. Car. Bike. Button. Selected. Car. Button. Delivery. Pickup location. Leapfrog Technology Incorporated. Button. Destination location. Not set. Button. Text field. Is editing. Text field. Is editing. Cap S. T. Text field. Is editing. Cancel. Button. Clear text. Button. Saint. Xavier's College Madhya, Kathmandu. Button. Saint. Destination location. Saint. Xavier's College. Button. Schedule ride. Book ride. Button. Loading finished. Pickup location Leapfrog Technology Incorporated. Destination location Saint. Xavier's College. Note. Not set. Button. Promo. Not set. Button. Payment. 200. Text field. Double tap to edit. Insertion point at end. Selected. Cash. Button. Calty. Button. Selected. Calty. Cash. Button. Selected. Cash. Calty. Business. Back. Button. Book ride. Button. Loading finished. John Doe 800 meters. Stars. 200. Accept. Button. Loading finished. John Doe 800 meters. Driver is on the way. 0. 13. John Doe 800 meters. 5. Car. Car details. Suzuki Pa. 1 Pa. 1234. Payment method. Cash. Rs. 200. Loading started. Loading finished. Bottom sheet handle. Bottom sheet. Right ongoing. John Doe 800 meters. 5. Car. Payment method. Cash. Rs. 200. Share ride progress. Button. Open in Google Maps. Button. Loading started. Loading finished. Ride completed. Car. John Doe 4.5 rating. Pickup location Leapfrog Technology Incorporated. Destination location Saint. Xavier's College. Payment. Cash. Rs. 200. Rating. Rate 1 star. Button. Rate 2 stars. Button. Rate 3 stars. Button. Selected. Rate 3 stars. Rate 4 stars. Button. Selected. Rate 3 stars. Button. Rate 5 stars. Button. Selected. Rate 5 stars. Others. Text field. Submit. Button. Loading finished. Alert. Thank you for using our service. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Okay. Button.
And that is how visually impaired people will also be able to use our app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.